Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make Huevos Rancheros con Salsa Verde. This is from the salsa which we created with green tomatillos. You love this recipe. Okay, so this is a traditional Mexican breakfast recipe, right? So you can use this green salsa for everything, like I said. Now my salsa recipe, which was basically base, so for this I'm going to add some flavoring to it. Now if you want to add jalapeños and make it spicy and all that, it's left up to you. I like it really mild, so I don't lose the flavor on my eggs and everything. It comes all the way from the salsa. Okay, so this is now, I'm gonna take my tomatillo, 3, 4, 5, and to this I'm gonna add this Knorr seasoning. Oh, this seasoning just bowls everything out. Okay, so, and fresh cilantro. So remember, this thing didn't have any cilantro, no nothing in it. So now mix this really well. Now you see I've chopped this well, so it gives this flavor and it's going to cook in this egg. So this is good enough for 2 eggs now. Just let it sit for about 5 minutes and then we're going to make our eggs. Okay, so for our Huevos Rancheros with salsa con salsa verde, you got to put some nice oil. My pan is really hot. So let me twirl this oil, let it get hot. And now my eggs, I'm gonna whip these eggs really well. Now there are a lot of different versions of this. Now in this, look, I'm not adding any salt and any pepper in this. The reason is, my salsa already has a lot of salt, okay? The flavoring has to come from the salsa, from the green salsa, which is really awesome. So now I'm gonna pour all this thing right here. It's always better to let it slowly cook because you don't want to burn this thing. Okay, so move it around. Okay, so now it's cooked on one side. You see it needs to be dry and toasty on the other side, like kind of brown. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this now. See, brown. With this, yeah, then cut it in pieces. Now you don't want it like scrambled or anything like that. As you can see, this is the point when I'm going to add the salsa and let it cook all into it. So there we go. And I'm going to add a little water to it so my eggs will get cooked. Okay, let it cook, let the water little dry out and thicken up. You can see all the water and everything's ready. Now this is ready. Our salsa is now kind of dry and this is ready. You need a little soupy and we are ready to eat. So voila, this is ready. Turn it off. Okay, so now you see this is nice and soupy and it's ready. So all you do is just take it out nicely. Voila, this is my breakfast for today. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Hi guys, now we are ready to taste our Huevos Rancheros con Salsa Verde. This is a famous Mexican recipe. Oh my God, let me taste it. Really nice. Not spicy at all. If you want to make it spicy, you can add some jalapeños to it. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, y'all have to like this recipe because this is my mother-in-law's recipe. Okay, so make me proud by giving us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!